Catch it.
Oh, how pretty in here. Mama, you been in this hotel before? You been this one?
Yep.
Yep, open it. Oh, these albums are mini. Alright, where you guys are going to? Eight? I know these elevators. How you guys doing tonight?
Good. How about yourself?
Pretty good. You guys are going to 8. Oh, I can hear it. It's this one. Come on in.
Thank you.
You going 8, right?
Yes, sir.
Oh, this is going to the basement. Well, it's gonna go down. So, how are you guys doing?
Excellent. How about yourself?
Pretty good. We're gonna go to the basement, Mom.
Oh. Oops.
Whoops. We'll put you in again. Nobody's going down. Nobody's going up. I like this one. This one has 15 floors, Mom. We're stopping on 1. Someone's going up.
Probably came back to get us.
Are you going up? Come on. What floor?
14.
14.
Thanks.